it's gonna be the last normal cold start before I throw these mid pipes on. I have to do it my damn self because I couldn't find a shop that would do it. I think it's like a $20,000 fine or something if a shop does it, so I gotta do it myself. So here's the last stock exhaust cold start on the ScatPack. Spiders in there. Big ass spider up in there. But yeah, now I gotta grab these things. I'm trying to do it quick so the cats don't get hella hot. So I have to wait for them to cool down too long. I gotta get this bitch straightened out. Got our reinforcements to get this thing up. I hate doing this shit by myself, but gotta do what you gotta do, man. We ain't wasting no time, not waiting another week to do this. So hopefully we get up on here successfully. Stay tuned. First try on, so I can scoot up a little bit more. Then we ready. Oh, cover right. I think we good. Alright, man, let's do this. Turn the car off. Let's do it. Alright, so now it wasn't high enough over here, so I had to lift it up more over here so I can undo the clamps that connected to the rear of the exhaust. Let's see if we got it now. Let me see. So we can get, where are they? Those clamps off right there. I don't know why it's so fucking hard to get off right now. I'm trying to hammer that shit off and shit, but we'll get there. Alright.
Yeah, that's 5/8, but then you have more. See, this is too long and it hits the...
Yeah.
Hell no. Sounds good over here.
Ready?
Yeah, motherfucker, that shit's loud now.
That was so loud.
first cold start with the catless mid pipes. Alright everybody, so I threw these mid pipes on and then took my ass to my hotel in Fresno. So I didn't really have time to drive it around and make sure I had it all right. Well, I did drive it around and try to make sure I had it all right, but some shit is vibrating underneath there and it's been driving me crazy. So now I'm over here, had to let me do it the ghetto style and prop my car up on the curb just so I can figure out what the hell is rattling. I want to see nobody else have this problem on YouTube. So this is what I don't understand. Like, everything is perfect, but if I go like this, but it's all solid on there. But that's what I hear when I drive. It's not up here. That's not on. It's making some dumbass noise right there. I got the O2 sensor spacer coming. Should be here when I get back home this next week, so that check engine light can go away. This is the first drive I believe that I will be taking y'all on in this car. Check out the Bentley with the wrap, satin silver. I don't know what color that, satin gray or whatever. Not bad. I'm really not a fan of any of the Bentleys, except for like the Bentayga. It's like the only one I really like right now, or one of the top of the line ones. But the other one's been kind of ugly. Alright. So I was feeling that stuff when I would hit like a bump. See, I had a bump. Like I can hear it a tiny bit, but maybe not. I didn't really hear it right there, so yeah, there it fucking is, bro. That shit's so damn annoying. Hit this one. It is 8 a.m. and all these people are gonna be big mad because I'm about to give y'all a pull right now. Hold on, let me get out of there. Bro, something sounds ugly, bro. Not really. Told me that that removing your cats don't give you no type of performance upgrades. I beg to differ, bro, because this thing been moving, I swear. Been seeming way faster. Not way faster, but I feel a difference for sure. The whole range. And I have heard from a few people that these cats are pretty restrictive, actually. Now this bitch is breathing right, baby. So now we moving kind of good. But I still got that fucking vibrating. Not really. Not when I'm just driving, but like when I hit bumps. So I don't know. Maybe I gotta. I don't know if y'all can hear me. Let me roll down my window. So I don't know if I have to get into there and try to figure out exactly where it's hitting off of when I hit bumps, so I could put something there to reinforce it so I don't do it no more. Alright, y'all. So I found my problem. So the whole vibrating is from this brace, and then the gap ain't like big enough now for whatever reason. I guess when I put in the mid pipes it lowered it or some shit, I don't know. Whatever it is, but I'm about to remove this and go take it for a drive because it's already welded in the back too, so it's got reinforcement. But and then I'll get some spacers, so then it'll go, you know, lower, so then it'll get more clearance from the exhaust to the brace. But that's what I think is happening, because I looked up on a forum and a lot of people had the same problem with this rattling sound, and it could either be the heat shields or, but I'm pretty sure I can see how close it is to here to the brace that let me see if I can zoom in. Yeah, see that? There's like no clearance right there, so it'll be vibrating right off there. So I'm about to take that off and see if it fixes my problem. Well, I might have been covering the speaker right there, but I'm about to take this brace off and see if that fixes my problem. Alright, and if this ain't, damn, look at my screen. Damn fingerprint marks, I gotta wash it out. But yeah, if this don't fix it, man, then it's either gonna be a heat shield or something, and that'll be even more annoying. So let's see if I throw this thing in reverse, if it makes a sound. That's crazy. So that's what it was, man. You have no idea how relieved I am. But I'm actually not gonna get my hopes up too soon. I'm actually gonna take it for a drive first. See, last time I did this, by now I can still hear it. And by the way, I'm not about to leave that brace off forever. I'm going to get some spacers to space that brace out so it doesn't touch them. I'll probably go overload with it and get like 3 or 4 spacers. Make sure I don't get no type of vibrations off that bar. Let me get in there. And the reason I knew it too is because I seen people saying like, yeah, if I put my car in sport, then it won't do it as much. And that's obviously to me, because when you put it in sport mode, it softens up the suspension, so it ain't, you know, as hard. It ain't gonna be as stiff. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, we would have been hearing big dink dink if I was still having that problem. So I'm about to take y'all back down this road to Mexico. I like to hit a pool for y'all. Just to make sure we are good. Man, that's a relief. I thought it was something I did wrong when I had put on the mid pipes. I thought it was literally like where the cats used to be that they connect to the headers. I thought that part was loose, but every time I would check it, it was not loose at all. It was on there real nice. So I'm actually still gonna take them off and put some sealant, some high temp sealant in there, just to make sure I never have no types of leaks. All right, let's go real quick. mission accomplished. All I had to do is take off that exhaust brace or whatever you call it. Alright man, that's finally gonna do it for this video. I dragged it on long enough, but at least now we got those mid pipes on there correctly, at least as good as they are for right now, until I put some of that sealant on there just to make sure we don't have no types of leaks. And we no longer have any vibrations, so man, I'm real happy. Sounds way better. You have no idea how concerning it is because I put them on and then I headed like 250 miles away out to Fresno, California from the bay. So that shit on the freeway was binking and dinking the whole time, man. So I was tripping. I thought I had something loose that was gonna fall off. So I'm just real glad I got it pinpointed. I know what it was, got rid of it. And now we're sounding the way that we should sound. And I'm happy with it, man. So if it was on the edge or thinking about doing catless mid pipes yourself, man, think no longer and just do that. It's not too loud, it's not too crazy. You can put that thing in eco mode and quiet your stuff down. So if you ask me, it's worth it and I love it, man, because it's like a whole new driving experience now. And I just want to drive the car all the time and just let it rip because it should be sounding hella good. And it just feels faster. It's gotta be faster. I gotta have some more power, man, because I swear them cats are restrictive. So take yours off. Alright y'all, but thank y'all for tapping back into another video. This is Jay Lee, and this is Scat Daddy 392, and we'll be back with you.